everyone. Today in this video we will do question and answer of the chapter Truths in the Forest. So let started from section A, that is fill in the blank. Complete the following sentences with the suitable word phrases from the text. Well, first question, the author and his family lived in the border town of Dash. Well, the answer is Monster. Second, dash dash in German means come in. Palm tree in German means come in. The American and German soldiers dash on the wood pile. The German and American soldier place their arms on the wood pile. Now, dash is an angry one. The answer is a starving man is an angry one. Now, coming to the first question, answer the question. First, what made the author and his mother reside in the Hudson forest? Well, the answer is the author and his mother were residing in the Hudson forest because there was a war happened among the countries and their hometown was partly destroyed by allied bombers. Second question is, how was the advent of Christmas different in the forest? Well, the answer is the advent of the Christmas was different in the forest as on the Christmas evening Fritz Winken and his mother gave refuge to a few German and American soldiers. His mother ordered the men to lay down their arms, following which the soldiers shared a warm Christmas meal. Next question, that is, what was the attitude of the author's mother towards the American soldier? Well, the answer is the author's mother showed an impeccable example of humanity and universal peace. She treated the soldiers like her own son. She also felt that the boys were all far from their home, so she said them to be careful and prayed for them. You can also write the answer like the author mother was very helpful. She showed an impeccable example of humanity and universal peace. She treated the soldier like her own son. She also felt that the boys were all far from home, so she said them to be careful and prayed for them. Now, coming to the next exercise, C. Read the lines and answer the question. You will be safe in the woods, he had told me. Well, and the question is, who is the speaker and to whom are the words addressed? Well, the correct answer is the author's father is the speaker and he addressed to his wife and son. Question B, why did the speaker say this? Well, the answer, the speaker said this because an allied bombers were destroyed their hometown. Question C, why would the person be safe in the woods? Well, the person would be safe in the woods because his father believed that was the safest place. Next question, that is question number 2. When that first knock came, mother quickly blew out the candle. Well, the answer is the mother blew out the candles because she was afraid. Why did she do next? She stepped ahead of the author and opened the door. Who had knocked on the door and why? The American soldier had knocked the door because one of their soldiers was badly injured and they needed help. Next question, that is question number 3. Do we have other guests whom you may not consider friends? The answer of is the author's mother is the speaker and she addressed the words to German soldiers. Question number 2. Who are these guests? Well, these guests were the American soldiers. Question number 3. Why would the guest not be considered as friends? Because they belonged to the other country and they were enemies of Germany. Coming to the last question exercise, that is the question number 4. Do you think the story had a miraculous ending? Yes, I think that the story had miraculous ending because I did not expect that these soldiers who belong to different countries will become friends. Question number 2. What mood or atmosphere prevails in the story? Well, the answer is the mood that prevails in the story is bravery and unity. What significant role does the author's mother play in the story? Well, the author's mother played an important role in this story. The mother showed an impeccable example of humanity, peace, and unity. She treated all the soldiers like her own son. She also felt that the soldiers were far from their home, so she created family environment among the soldiers so they spent their quality time. So these are the question that we had done the answer of the chapter number first, that is truth in the forest. Hope all of you have got the answer of this question. It might be helpful for you for making notes of this chapter.